Imagine waking up in this house, the kind of morning where the sunlight hits just right and the pace feels a little bit slower. You grab your coffee, take a breath, and every bit of this home feels like it's meant for that. Whether it's work from home, wind down, or just getting through the day, it fits your tempo. And you end the day right here, where it's quiet, private, and completely yours. And that's the life inside this home, and it could be yours. You want to know more? You know where to find me.